In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to make a moving platform that moves up and down like an elevator. Here in my workspace, you can see I have a part, and just make sure your part is anchored. Now go to your part, add a script. In your script, just enter the following lines. I have a move function here, and the input parameter is a step. So this is how much it's going to move by, and I'm doing it 300 times. So I'm repeating this step 300 times. Down here, I'm calling my function. So this is to move up. So I'm moving up. Each step is going to be moving up by 0.05. And again, remember, it's going to do it 300 times. When I want to move down, I'm going to pass in negative 0.05. So when it moves down, it's going to move down by negative 0.05 for each step. And it's going to do it for 300 times. So basically, we're just waiting for 7 seconds. Then we're going to move the platform up each time by 0.05, 300 times. And then we're going to wait for another 7 seconds. And then we're going to move the platform down by negative 0.05 for 300 times. Let's play test and take a look. So there's my platform. Let me hop on it. Here's my elevator. And it's going to move up 300 times. Then it's going to stop. It has stopped. So it's going to stop for 7 seconds. Then it's going to move down. And there it goes. That's how you build an elevator in Roblox.